Dali.
Before I got a cat, I didn't know that I wanted a buddy, okay? But I have one now, and he just sits here while I'm doing my business, and I appreciate the
Get a cat, they said. It'd be fun, they said.
This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. Augustus, calm down. Mommy's got you.
This? I'm just giving him a massage. He's had a rough day at the bakery. Nobody's appreciating the biscuits he's making. We see you.
Kiss your cat and see how they react.
So yan sama.
I literally watched her dig it out of the hole right when you were there. But just stomped it.
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
And the car. Yes.
Bruh. Bruh.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Must take a stance against the LGBTQ community. I hate.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse.
Lufa, knock it off. Stop. Stop. All right.
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Take this chip if you're from the government. No? Don't want to admit it out loud.
No. 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 Pen.
Came home and this was on the ground spilled. It was full.
Literally to the brim.
Kitten.
I kind of have OCD.
You mean obesity?
What in the world? Oh!
puppy? Can I pet him?
Can I pet you?
No.
Oh.
Thomas.
Boop.
My mom brought home this little trash panda and he always has to be touching me all the time and she thinks we are best friends when I actually hate this little demon.
What? Would you stop?
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
What's going on?
Babe, are you going to bed? How'd you get under there? Oh, I'm sorry. Good night.
Hey! Stop it! Get out of here!
It's Dave. I'd love to see you, brother. I know it's been a while. I got a couple of surprises.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Has anybody ever looked at their wife and been like, damn it. Damn it.
Not all pee-pee times are poo-poo times. But all poo-poo times are pee-pee times.
Meow. 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 This is a domestic short hair. A long tail, big nuts, spread, and a big nice face.
Oh my God, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free but always has an attitude.
Don't beat yourself up over past mistakes. You are going to f*** up again in the future.
Are you big chilling, Cam? Or are you peeing on me? Are you peeing on me?
Ay, qué bonito bebé. Tingiri-dingi, 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 tingiri-dingi.
Touchy.
Food caught on your leg.
Ah! Number one.
Nom, nom, nom.
Oh my God, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She's not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low.
She's fat.
No.
Man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
So did I just get a mini fridge because my rabbit's veggies took half of the space in my regular fridge, which upset my parents because they didn't have any space for their food? Yes. Yes, I did.
I'll ask for your ID now. Where do you go?
Right down the road.
Right down the road. Oh, right there at the barracks.
Yeah, oh no, not the barracks road. It's past that, it's past the driving range. It's a minute.
Straight laser to the bozo's dome.
Oh! Oh, are you okay?
I love you, puppy.